Hey guys, if you are pregnant or you know somebody who is pregnant, then you need to hear about this incredible spiritual protection method that uses alligator pepper. Okay, so stick around to find out more. Welcome back. My name is Gideon and I share spiritual tip here in this channel. If today is your first time of coming across my video here on YouTube, you are highly welcome to my channel. And I want you to know that you are a special person. Thank you for stopping by to watch my video. And please make sure that before you leave this channel, you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and God will bless you for doing so. Okay. Today's video is especially going for pregnant women, or if you know somebody that is pregnant, you can take this information to that person. Okay, I'll be discussing the power of alligator pepper for spiritual protection during pregnancy. Okay, pregnancy time is a special time in a woman's life, and as such, you need to protect yourself and your unborn baby. Okay, so I'll be discussing how you can use alligator pepper for spiritual protection during pregnancy. Okay, so make sure you watch the video to the end so that you get the whole information. Okay. Now, a lot of pregnant women do have spiritual attack, like they experience spiritual attack. Sometimes you see this attack in your dream. Sometimes it will come in your body. Sometimes your baby. Okay, so many attacks that pregnant women are experiencing. Okay, sometimes these attacks will make them to lose their baby. Some of them will be in their womb and die. Some of them after birth, the baby will die. Sometimes the mother even self will die. Okay, but I prayed as you're watching this video that will never be your portion, and it will never be the portion of someone that is related to you. In Jesus' mighty name I pray. So for you to protect yourself during pregnancy with alligator pepper, you need to know that alligator pepper is a very powerful spiritual item. Okay, it's a very powerful spiritual item. It is used to do a lot of spiritual work. Okay, for you to do this, you need to go and buy your alligator pepper. You can buy your alligator pepper from the market. You can buy it from a spiritual shop, anywhere you know that you can get alligator pepper. Okay, just make sure you get one bunch. Let me show you. Okay, make sure get one bunch of alligator pepper. Okay, this is one bunch of alligator pepper. Now, when you get this one bunch of alligator pepper, before you open this alligator pepper, you are going to place it at your back. For people that know, the right way to open alligator pepper is from the back. Okay, if you open it from your front, you have made a mistake. It may not give you what you want, the result you want. Okay, so the right way to open alligator pepper is from your back. Okay, now when you open it from your back, you can bring it to your front there. Okay, now after you must have opened it from your back, you bring it to your front. Okay, as you bring it to your front, bring out 14 seed. That's 7, 7. Okay, 7, 7. And keep that 7 of that alligator pepper. That's the 14 on the ground. You keep it 7, 7. Okay, now you are going to step on that 14 seed of alligator pepper. Your first right leg will be on the 7, and your left leg will be on the other 7. Understand? On the ground. Okay, it will be 7, 7. Okay, so you step on the first 7 and you step on the second 7. Okay, now as you step on those alligator pepper, you are going to be praying. Okay, pray to God for protection. Let it use this alligator pepper that has spiritual power to protect you and your unborn baby from any spiritual arrow, from any spiritual attack that will harm you and your baby. Okay, make sure you pray. Okay, make sure you pray. The words we say has power. Okay, if you pray towards your pregnancy, if you pray towards your baby, you will see that you will give birth to that baby healthy and sound. Nothing will happen to you and that baby. Okay, so as you are stepping on that 7 seed of that alligator pepper, you will be praying towards God. Okay, this spiritual assignment, you can do it in the night and you can do it in the morning, but you are not going to do it in the afternoon. Okay, don't do it in the afternoon. Do it either in the morning, very early in the morning if you wake up from the bed, or you do it in the night. Okay, in the night, starting from 10 o'clock in the night, you do it. Okay, or you do it in the morning starting from 5 o'clock. Okay, you start doing it. But once it's afternoon, don't do this spiritual assignment. Okay, there is a reason for that. Okay, so make sure you are doing this when you are pregnant. Okay, just step on those 277 seeds of that alligator pepper, making it 14, and be praying. So after praying, remove your leg from that alligator pepper. Okay, remove your 2 legs from that alligator pepper and use your left hand and pack those 14 seeds of alligator pepper that you kept on the ground. Use your left hand and pack all of them. Okay, and dispose them. As you are disposing them, say that you are throwing out anything that will bring death to you during pregnancy, anything that will hinder you not to have your baby, anything that will hinder you not to, be happy after pregnancy, that you are disposing it with this alligator pepper, that you will be okay and your child will be okay after birth. You will carry your baby, okay, like you will give birth like Hebrew women, okay. This will be your prayer after you must have disposed that 14 seed of that alligator pepper, okay. And once you dispose it, you relax, okay. You relax. Do these spiritual assignments often and often, okay, during pregnancy. Once you are pregnant, you need to be doing this, okay. You can do it once in a week, you can do it 3 times in a week, anytime, but make sure you are doing this constantly for spiritual protection during pregnancy, okay. If you are living in an environment where there are so many witches, so many demonic men and women, you don't need to joke with this. Yes, you don't need to joke with this at all. You need to take this spiritual assignment serious. Keep doing this during pregnancy, and God will help you give birth to your baby safe and sound, and you will carry your baby and smile, okay. So make sure you do this spiritual assignment and you will see how it works. If you have any question that you want to ask about this video, or you do not understand any part of this video, you can use the comment section to ask your question and I'll be explaining it more for you, okay. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be able to see it and you learn something that will help your spiritual life. The world we are living is full of evil, okay. So we need to be alert, we need to be conscious of the things that we are doing in this life, okay. So make sure you subscribe, and if you want to talk to me directly, use the number showing on the screen, and make sure you don't pick number from the comment section apart from my number, okay, with the thick black line, okay. That's my right number, okay. So make sure you do this and God will bless you for doing so. See you guys.